Ever since birds jump off a bird tree and take to the air, the thought of the first Saab has gone from it to a reality.
You know that there are all kinds of planes flying around today? Yeah, but before we look at the different kinds of planes, let's look at how they got off the ground in the first place. And then we'll look at some record breakers, and even at the airports.
The Wright brothers didn't show a movie. They didn't have time. That's not even to the 50-yard line.
Hey, this makes sense.
Craze? Crazy is more like it.
Back then, only women who were nurses were allowed to be stewardesses. Nowadays, they're called flight attendants. And flight attendants can be both women and men. All this while keeping their balance. Gate 9. How you doing? This is Jerry Gullickson. He's an instructor here, and he's going to show us how the planes work. How do they work? How does a plane work, Jerry?
Well, before you can understand that, you have to look at the different parts of the airplane. This is the wing. And this is the engine.
Can you check the oil, too?
And Howard, this is the fuselage.
Where the people sit?
You bet. I better take this from you.
Yeah.
Howard, come over here. I guess you found the tail.
I still don't know what I'm talking about. Right?
That's right.
Control tower, this is Howard. I'm coming in at 39. Oh.
Why don't we go look at a tail and find out? Bank like this and turn. Well, Howard, the principles of flight are the same for a small airplane like this as they are for the large jets.
Well, speaking of size, this is the cockpit.
It actually stretches almost 10 inches. Wow!
This is your captain speaking. I hope you had a nice flight. We'll be coming in here in about 10 minutes. We're coming through 10,000 feet, and the weather looks pretty good. Looks like it'll be a very nice day when we get on the... Hi. Whew, that's good. The plane can land itself. That's the biggest 18-wheeler I've ever seen.
Hey, that's faster than a bullet. How high can a plane go?
How high can a plane go? That's the highest a plane's ever flown in the Earth's atmosphere. Hey, bring on the control tower. Oh, hey, there's the, oh, that's the aircraft carrier. I'm coming in for landing. This is Howard. I can see you. I've got you in my sights, and I'm about to land. We're coming in down past 500 feet. We're coming down 400 feet. Boy, am I ever having fun. This is a lot of fun. Planes of Fame, Airplanes of Fame Museum. And this is Mac McCullum. Mm-hmm. Wow. Tell me a little bit more about the Corsair, the one you flew in the war.
Okay. This is a Corsair, as
This
you
has
mentioned.
got 2,050 horsepower.
First airplane to go 400 miles faster than that in the dive. It'll go 550.
Oh, that'd be pretty fast on the freeway, wouldn't it?
Sure.
Yeah. Wow.
48. We had 48 airplanes on the carrier.
Great. Let's go. No! Mac! What kind of plane is this?
This is a P-40 Warhawk.
Wow. That's a pretty good idea. It scared me.
It sure did.
Boy, I feel like a torpedo. That's pretty big.
Yes, it is.
We don't need to go too fast on the ground.
No.
This plane is so big. Can't believe it.
What do you think of the bomber?
Hi, Mac. It sure is neat. Billy Mitchell, who's he?
Billy Mitchell, one Billy Mitchell on either side.
Smart guy. Oh, I see. Is that why they call it biplanes?
Mm-hmm.
I just say, biplane.
Biplane. You want me to demonstrate?
No, we don't need to demonstrate.
I'm going to anyway.
No!
Well, we have to get you a ticket first
Okay.
of all.
Hi, welcome to Howard Airlines. Can I help you?
Well, Howard, I hate to tell you this, but you're on the wrong side of the ticket counter.
Yeah, I guess I am. I don't know what I'm doing here. Wow. Well, I better check my luggage. Where it's put on conveyor belts and sent to the right plane. Then the machine sent your bag to the right flight. This is where all the baggage comes, and from there, it gets loaded onto the plane. Hi, Wayne. And from there, the carts take your luggage to the right plane. Hey, I hope my bag wasn't on that cart. On your way to the plane, which way do I go? This one? Oops. Hey, on your way to the plane, they have to check you to make sure that you don't have any dangerous things on you. This is a metal detector. Thanks. Off to the plane. Hi. Good. Well, that'd be first class, wouldn't it? Hi. Now we're in Phoenix, Arizona. It's a lot warmer here than it is in Minneapolis. Let's go in the control tower. And this is Letty Vella, who is...
an air traffic control specialist here at Phoenix Tower.
She's going to show us around. Let's go look at some stuff.
The role of the control tower in the airport is to get aircraft in and out of Phoenix Airport. Those are aircraft landing here and those departing here. The main component that we have is our radar scope. We watch and operate the traffic off the radar scope, and we get data readout. For instance, you see United on the departure roll right now. As soon as he tags up, we're going to get a readout on that aircraft. So in just a minute, if you go to the radar, you'll be able to see United tag up.
When the numbers come up?
That squawk that I told you about, this is him right here. In a minute, he's going to tag up as United 1490. There he is.
There he is. Sometimes the controllers use binoculars so they can see what's going on.
If we lose communication with an airplane, we also have what we call a light gun. So we shoot it just like a gun at the aircraft, and that would indicate that the aircraft, cleared for takeoff. That would indicate that the aircraft was cleared to go. We would only use this if we lost radio communications with an aircraft.
Wow, we sure learned a lot about airplanes and airports. Thanks for coming along. It sure was fun, so you can contact just about any airline. Thanks for coming. See you next time.
All right, sir. Here you go. You're all set.
Thanks a lot.
All right.
Why?
Blue Hawaii, here I come. Hi. Oh, sorry. Tiny bubbles in the...
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain speaking. I'd like to welcome all of you aboard our flight to Alaska today. It looks
Alaska? Wait! Stop the plane! I was, Blue Hawaii and tiny bubbles and all that. I was gonna go. Stop the plane! I can't go to. What? I gotta stay here. All right, I'm staying here. Alaska. It's not that bad in Alaska. Hi, how are you? Miserable, thank you very much. 8 ways to stay warm. Oh, great. Yeah. If you'd like to write to me, Howard, or if you have comments or would like to see more videos like the one you just saw, you can write to this address. Hi. Oh, it's all yours.